heads. We're going to start off with 8 donkey kicks. Then we will turn around and sit down and do tabletop variations. And last, we will lay down on our tummies and push up and try to touch our toes to our head. Let's get started. Stand up tall and let's pretend to dip our hands in melted marshmallows. Ew. Now, glue your hands to the ground. That way, they'll stay put. Here we go. 8 donkey kicks. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Now turn around, sit down on the ground with your feet on the ground. Let's do some tabletops. Belly button up and down. Let's do this 4 times and hold the last one. Here we go. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and hold. All right, now who can lift one hand? Okay, put it down. All right, who can lift the other hand? Okay, good, put it down. All right, who can lift one foot? All right, put that down. How about the other foot? Awesome. Wait. Who can see if they can lift one hand and one foot? Whoa. Okay, now roll over and lay on your belly and go to sleep. Night. Okay, now when I say wake up, you're going to push up on your hands, make your elbows straight, and look up to the sky. We're going to do this 4 times. Try to see if you can also bend at your knees and try to touch your toes to your head. Maybe you can do your hair with your toes. What? All right, go night-night. I can't hear you snoring. Wake up. Night-night. And wake up. Night-night. And wake up. You can touch your toes to your head. Good. Night-night. And wake up. Touch your toes to your head. Go. Oh, that was so good. It was amazing. You did a great job. Yes, you did. You did a great job. Oh, yes, you did. Now give yourself a high five. Left hand to the right. A right hand to the left. What up, me? That's the way you do it. Hey, good job.